Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to show day of week in Windows 11 taskbar clock. As you can see on my screen, days of week are visible on my this one screenshot, and if you want to show it here on your taskbar clock, then you can use any of the method between three. There are total three methods and you can apply any method to show clock on your taskbar of Windows 11. So let me start with first one. First one is control panel. For that you need to click on the start button and here type control, then click on the control panel app. Next click on the clock, and one thing you should note that you should set view by to category. Then click on this one clock and region, then click on this one region, it will open region window. Then click on this one additional settings. Here switch to date tab, then you will find sort date as something like this. You need to enter here a small DDD comma a space. That's all, you have done it. Now you need to click on apply, OK, apply, OK. You can see on my taskbar today's date is Tuesday. And if you love to use the registry editor, then also I have something for you. First click on the start button and here type registry, then click on this one registry editor app. Now you need to copy and paste this one from this video description, and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to international key. Here on the right you need to find out S sort date, this one. After that double click on it, and here you will find something like this only. Here at the beginning type a small DDD and put comma, after that one space, and click on OK. After that you need to restart your Windows 11 machine to see the day of week on the taskbar clock. And last one method, third method is settings app. For that open the settings app by pressing Windows plus I key, or right click on this one start button and here select settings. Then click on time and language on the left. On the right click on language and region. Then you need to click on administrative language settings. Here on the region window you will find this type of option. By default administrative tab will be selected. You need to switch to formats tab. Here under sort date you need to change this value. You can't change directly here, so you need to click on additional settings button. After that you need to move on the date tab. Here you can change sort date format. You will find something like this. Here you need to put DDD comma at the beginning. After that click on the apply, OK, apply, OK. This will change your taskbar clock, and you will find an additional option, that is day of week at the taskbar clock. That's all about this video. If you love this video, like, comment, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. see you in the next video.